How to save a template videos in CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also using Android device just like me and you want to download sample videos or template videos on CapCut, it's an easy process. So first thing, just open up your CapCut application, and once you open your CapCut application, just head over to the search section and always make sure that you have already logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. Now I'll just head over to my search section from the top and simply searching for template videos. So it will basically show you a lot of genre of template videos which you can download to, and for now I'll simply select any one of these videos over here, and you can even like that and comment in that particular video, and I'll simply tap on this three dot icon over here and click on save. And for now I'll just have to wait for a few seconds, and just like that your videos will be saved onto your gallery, and just like that you can easily view that particular video on your gallery. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.